Let me take this pic and then I will explain it to you. Okay. Can you stop sharing?
Yeah.
Go back. No. Limited time offer. Till tomorrow.
Okay. So now the question says that the graph is y is equal to x cube minus 1 and 2 minus, it is x, right? 2 minus x. And you have to find the equation of the tangent at the point 1, 0. So first step, if you remember, you don't have to do the first step here because already it has been done. But what was the first step? That was that you substitute the value of x. So x is 1 here. This is x is equal to 1. So you will get y is equal to 1 cube minus 1 into 2 minus 1. It will be 0 into 1. It will be 0. So this is y. So already y is given as 0. So x comma y, the point where you have to find the tangent is given as 1, 0. So even if you don't do the first step, you know that y is 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now second step was to find its slope. Okay. So we differentiate y with respect to x. When differentiate y, here it will be a product rule because this function is getting multiplied with this function. So we apply product rule, we keep the one function outside and we differentiate 2 minus x. We can write it as 2 minus x dash. Then we can take 2 minus x outside and we can take x cube minus 1 dash. Is it okay?
Yeah.
In the next step, this will be x cube minus 1. Derivative of 2 minus x, that is differentiation of 2 will be 0. Differentiation of x will be 1. Then 2 minus x, differentiation of x cube is 3x square and differentiation of 1 is 0. So we write it like this.
Yeah.
So this will become minus 1 here. So minus x cube plus 1 it will become. Another one will become 3 to 6x square minus 3x cube. This it will become. Okay. So this will be minus 4x cube plus 6x square plus 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, third step was to find the slope at this point. So if you take 1, 0, so at 1, 0, matlab x is equal to 1. Here x is equal to 1. The slope is minus 4 plus 6 plus 1. You are putting x is equal to 1. This will be 3. This is called m. This is slope of tangent at that point. At the point 1, 0. X is 1. So next step was to take y is equal to mx plus b as the tangent equation and put the xy. So x is 1, b is 0, y is 0 and m is 3. So 0 is equal to 3 into 1 plus b. So from here b will come out to be minus 3. When you get b is equal to minus 3, you will get equation as y is equal to m. Now you have got m also. So M is
3.
3 and B is -3. So this will be your answer. Now let us match with the options, how it is given. All have been taken on one side or something. So all have not been taken on one side. So 1 is equal to 3x minus 3. That is the option D clearly.
Okay.
So first write this down from here.
Midnight, I will meet you. Midnight. It is X, now for midnight. Express 11. Express 11. Express, I think, I think I just Yes.
So can you scroll down?
If you exhaust the whole thing, you have to pay 100. Okay. This is a maximum.
So can you scroll a bit up before the third step?
Oh, I'm getting, from my pocket, I'm paying 100 only. From our pocket, I'm paying 100.
Sorry, Satya, what are you saying?
Can you scroll up a bit?
This one?
Yeah, so what happened to the x cube and x square?
When you put x is equal to 1 there, it will become just 1 minus 4 into 1 will be minus 4.
Oh, we
6 into-
substituted.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so can you scroll down? Yeah, done, sir.
Oh, now you can share the next one. Third one is y is equal to x cube at the
So
point.
I got this.
Correct. So you have done all the steps correct there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And fourth one is
What you have done here, it is also correct. What you have done here?
so I first
Points payment champion.
Yeah, I derivated x square minus x1 plus 1 and got it as 2x minus 1 into 3x square.
This you have done.
And not enough.
You have differentiated both at once.
Yeah,
That is wrong now. There it will be product rule.
okay.
There is one function multiplied with another function. So you
Okay.
will take one function outside, you will differentiate another, plus you will take another outside, you will differentiate first one. And after finding the final result, you have to put x is equal to -1 there. So coincidentally, you may be getting the correct answer.
No, sir, I got -9, but then there was no -9.
This is not the right way, na?
Okay.
And you should have thought that you have done it wrong.
Okay.
Just try it once, try from
Okay.
product rule.
Okay, sir.
Above one you have done correctly, na? That 10x plus 8.
Yes, so that one, I did that.
Okay. Try this one by product rule. You have understood now what we have to do here.
It's the same as the second one, right?
No, it is not the same as second one. Second one and third one is same. Fourth one, you have to simply differentiate and then put the value x is equal to -1.
Okay, yeah.
Apply the product rule.
I'll try
You don't have to find the equation of the tangent.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm getting x square minus x plus 1 into 3x square
Correct.
plus x cube plus 1 into 2x minus 1.
Okay. Now open all the brackets and simplify it.
Yeah. So I'm getting 5x raised to 4 minus 4x raised to 3 plus 3x raised to 2 plus 2x minus 1.
Now when you put x is equal to -1 here, what you will get? Can you calculate?
Yeah, yes, sir. So that will be 5 minus 4 plus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So um, five, will it be 5?
But the answer is 9. So let me do it. Then you will check where you have done the error.
So one minute, I think I didn't put -1 just a minute.
You put 1.
Yeah, I put +1 just a minute. Yeah, it's 9. I got 9, positive 9.
Okay. Now you can share. This one also you can do similarly. Just try it out. So I think you
I
have done, you are getting minus 144. So have you applied product tool here? How have you done it?
so I directly substituted it.
What x is equal to 2.
Yeah.
So it will become 1 minus 8. That is wrong, but still I'm checking. 1 minus 8 minus 7 and 8 minus 1, 7. So it will be minus 49. There is no answer called minus 49.
So I can't hear you.
Sorry.
So can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, yeah, yes, sir. Sorry, so
I'm,
what do you say?
I'm saying that if you substitute x is equal to 2 directly, you will get minus 49.
Yeah, I got minus 49.
But it is minus 144 that you have ticked.
Oh yeah, I got minus 49, and then I um I got as minus 3x square into 3x square. I
So,
derivated it
so you'll get minus 3x square.
into 3x square. I think I did it twice. I think I did both the ways. So first I got minus 49, and then I think I
You are,
derivated it.
you are, you are not doing by any method. You are just doing by hook and crook. And you have to simply, you can't differentiate like this. No? These are two functions which are getting multiplied. So
Okay,
you have to again apply the product rule. When you will apply the product rule and you differentiate, then you will put x is equal to 2 there.
okay,
Are you getting my point?
yes, sir.
Just try it once.
Yeah. So I'm getting minus 168.
Minus 168. Okay, I will do it and just check. Take one minus, you just remember it. I will ask from you what is the question. So, what the question was?
F of x equals 1 minus x cubed
Hmm?
into x cubed minus 1.
Okay. So, if you differentiate it, f dash of x, 1 minus x cube will be outside and x cube minus 1 will be 3x square on differentiating. Then x cube minus 1 will be outside and 1 minus x cube, this one, will be minus 3x square. Am I right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So this will become 3x square minus 3x to the power 5. Here it will become minus 3x to the power 5 plus 3x square. So overall it will become 6x square minus 6x raised to the power 5.
Yeah,
Now if you put x is equal to 2, that is what they have done. Put x is
yes.
equal to 2. This will be 6 into 2 square minus 6 into 2 to the power 5. You can in fact take 6 common. So 2 square is 4, 2 to the power 5 is 32. So this will be 6 into minus 28. So this will be minus 168. That is correct. You have got minus 168 is the value which you are getting now.
Yeah, that's what I got. But then the final answer in this, I think 1 minus 144 is the correct answer. That's what
Let
they
us check
should.
by other method also. There is another method also. We'll confirm it. Otherwise, they have given the wrong answer.
Okay.
Fx is equal to 1 minus x cube minus 1. So fx is equal to 1 minus x cube into x cube minus 1 can also be calculated like this. That just multiplied before differentiating. So this will be minus common x cube minus 1 both, so whole square. So minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. It will be like this. So it will be minus x to the power 6 plus 2x cube minus 1. Now when you differentiate it here, you don't have to apply product rule. It will be minus 6x to the power 5 plus 6x raised to the power 2. So 6x to the power 2 minus 6x to the power 1. This is the same thing. So they have given the wrong answer. It will be minus 168.
Yes.
You have to notify them.
Okay, sure. So and this one, I didn't get this.
Okay. So find the points on the curve. So I'll give you some idea about it and then you can do it. Let me tell you what you have to do here. Let me take the pic of this. Find the points on the curve. Y is equal to x minus 1 into x square minus 4 into x square minus 4, where the tangent line is parallel to y is equal to minus 4x. So tangent is parallel to y is equal to minus 4x. So this is a line. This is a line and a tangent to this curve. If you draw a tangent This is the curve. If you draw tangent, that tangent will be parallel to this line, this line. So if two lines are parallel, tangent is also a line and given line is also a line. So if two lines are parallel, it means their slopes are equal. Their slopes are equal. And if you observe here in this line, what is its slope? What is the equation of a line? Y is equal to mx plus b. So if you observe this, this line is y is equal to minus 4x plus 0. B is 0. So basically m is actually here minus 4. Getting my point?
Yeah.
So the slope of this line is minus 4. This is the slope. So the slope of tangent will also be equal to minus 4 because both are parallel. Their slopes are equal because they are parallel. For parallel lines, slopes are equal. So the tangent to this curve, what it means that the curve which you have been given, y is equal to x minus 1, x square minus 4, has tangent whose slope is minus 4. This is what it means, the question means. In other words, question means this. We have reinterpreted this question. Now, what we do in such situation, we differentiate this. We find the slope m is equal to dy by dx. So can you differentiate this function y?
Yeah.
When you differentiate it, and then you equate it equal to minus 4, and you'll get the value of x. Get x from there. Can you get x from there?
Yes, sir.
And after getting x, put back in this equation of the curve and get y also. So that will give you the point. So can you try it now? First write it down, then try it. This is the reduced question.
So how do we get b as 0?
Equation of a line we studied there now when we were talking about the tangent to a curve, that it is of the form y equal to mx plus b.
Yeah, but how do we get b equals 0?
So the line here is y is equal to minus 4x. So minus 4x is added to what? 0.
Okay. Yeah.
Nothing is there, huh? So it is 0.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So should I do product rule here now?
Yeah, you have to do product rule here.
I got 3x square minus 2x minus 4.
Can you tell me again?
3x square minus 2x minus 4.
3x square, fine. And minus 2x you are saying,
Yeah,
and then minus 4 you are saying.
yeah,
Fine. Now equate it to minus 4.
minus 4.
Yeah, that is equal to minus 4. Because the slope is minus 4 and you have obtained the slope by differentiating.
So that is 3x square minus 2x, right, sir?
That will be 3x square
Minus 2x.
minus 2x, correct? That will be equal to 0 now.
Yeah,
3x square minus 2x, that will be equal to 0. So if you take x as common, you will get 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here you get x either 0 or you get x as 2 by 3. These two values are possible. Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
either this becomes 0 or this becomes 0. If this becomes 0, x is equal to 0. If another one becomes 0, x is equal to 2 by 3. No, this is what happened now. 3x square minus 2x minus 4 you got as the slope, and dot
yeah,
slope is equal to minus 4. This cancels. So you get
yeah.
3x square minus 2x equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So x into 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So x is either 0 or 2 by 3.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now you have to get y also. So again, you use this equation of the curve where the point lies. When x is equal to 0, in this situation, what will be y? When you put x equal to 0, y will be 4.
Okay.
And when x is equal to 2 by 3, when you put x is equal to 2 by 3, so y will be equal to 2 by 3 minus 1, and 2 by 3 whole square is 4 by 9 minus 4. So this will be minus 1 by 3 into 4 minus 36 minus 32 by 9. So it will be 32 by 27. So in this situation, it will be 32 by 27. So the 2 points there are 2 points there. One is 0, 4, and another point is 2 by 3, 32 by 27. Is there option given like this?
Yes, sir, there is.
This will be your answer. If you can write this down.
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay.
I got this right.
Question number 8,
Well,
7. That was 7, or what was that question number? It was
there was 6.
6. Now we have 7. F dash x 1. So can you try this out?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Coming in 2 minutes. You know now how to do it now.
Yes, sir, I'll try. So, sir, I have a
Yes.
doubt.
Yeah, yeah.
So what's the derivative of root x?
This is x to the power 1 by 2. So it will be 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. So it will be 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2. So it will be 1 by 2 root x.
So 1 by 2
X to the
x
power.
x to the power 1 by 2. So 2 minus 1 into 2. That'll be minus 1 1 by 2 x raised to 1 minus 1 by 2, right?
Yeah, 1 by 2 x raised to the power minus 1 by 2.
So root x into 2x is um 2x root
Why
x.
you are you doing like that? It is product rule, now you can't differentiate both at a time. You have to take one outside.
Yeah, I did that, sir. I did that,
Okay,
and then I got root x plus 1 into 2x
root x
plus
plus 1 into 2x. Okay,
x square minus 1, that is into half x raised to minus 1 by 2.
okay. Now you are opening the bracket.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
so
2x into root, so 2x into root x is 2x root x, right? Or
yes, or you can say 2x to the power 3 by 2. 1 by 2
okay,
is the power and 1 is the power, so it will add up to 3 by 2
okay, so I can write it as 2x 3 by 2.
to the power 3 by 2.
Okay,
Then plus 2x,
yeah, plus 2x and um,
then
so x square into x raised to minus, that'll be half x, right?
1 by 2. Again, yeah, it will be half is the constant that you keep it as it is. So
And
x to the power 2 into x to the power minus 1
1
by
by,
2.
so
So
that'll
that
be
will,
minus 1.
no, the power is 2 and minus 1 by 2. When you will add the power, as they are getting multiplied, the power will be added. So 2 minus 1 by 2, when you take LCM, will be 4 minus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2.
Okay,
Getting my point?
yeah,
Power will be added. Now, if base are same, then the power will be
yeah,
added. So half x to the power 3 by 2.
yes, sir. So now uh, it's 2x raised to 3 by 2 plus 2x plus 1 by 2 x raised to minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 x raised to minus 1 by 2.
Exactly. Now you put x is equal to 1 everywhere because you have to find f dash 1. So you put x is equal to 1.
So that'll be 2
Mhm.
raised to 3 by 2 plus 2
2
plus,
raised to the power 3 by 2 or 2 into 1 raised to the power 3 by 2.
yeah, 2 into 1 raised to 3 by 2.
So 1 to the power anything is 1. So it is simply 2.
Okay, yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Further,
And plus 2 into 1, so that's 2 plus
okay,
half into 1, so that will be half
okay,
minus half again.
okay. What you get the final answer as?
I'm getting 4.
That is fine. Correct answer is 4.
Okay. Eight.
Now, this is a theoretical question. Question number 8.
Okay.
The slope of a tangent to a curve, slope of tangent to a curve is found by equating the derivative to the x coordinate of the tangent point. So this is false. We don't equate the derivative to the x coordinate of the tangent point. What we do actually, have you studied the statement?
Yeah, yes, sir, I did.
So basically, you don't equate the derivative to the x coordinate of the tangent point, but you put the x coordinate of the tangent point in the derivative. Getting the point?
Yeah,
How do we get slope? If you just think about it, you first differentiate. After differentiating, you put the x value there, as you did
okay.
just now also.
Yeah.
So this is what we do. We don't equate it to x coordinate. Instead, we put the x coordinate in the derivative.
Yeah.
That's why it is called. Next one. Find the points on the curve where the tangent line is horizontal. So this question is similar to the question which we have done little while ago. So the tangent line is horizontal. What it means, what its slope is.
It's on the x-axis.
It's parallel to x-axis. It is not necessary on the x-axis. It is parallel to x-axis.
Okay.
So what is its slope? Slope is
Slope
what
is horizontal to the
x-axis. That means what is the angle between x-axis and the line?
90.
No, it is between x-axis and the line. It will be 0. If it is parallel to y-axis, then it is 90.
Yeah.
So tan 0 will be, slope will be tan 0, which will be 0. So slope is 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
If a line is horizontal to the x-axis, if it is horizontal, it is parallel to x-axis, then its slope is 0. Now you differentiate this y, the y which is given. And after differentiated it, equate it to its slope, that is 0. Getting my point? Satya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you differentiate it, equate it to 0 and get the x, and from those x you get the y also and get the point. Would you try to do it now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just try.
So what is the value of x? I got 6x squared plus x plus 6x minus 36.
Yeah, you got
6x squared
okay.
plus 6x minus 36.
So you don't have to put the value of x here because you have to find the value of x. You have to equate it to slope. So what is
So
slope?
so that is equal to 0. So
Yeah. So what x you will get? What is the value of x which you are going to get?
um so can I divide this by 6? So I'll
Yeah,
get
of course.
x squared plus x minus 6.
Okay. Now you can do middle term splitting. Can you write it as x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6?
Yes, sir.
Write it like that. What will be the factors?
Minus x minus 2 and x plus 3.
What will be x?
X can be 2 or minus 3.
Yeah. So if you see the option A, only in the option A, x coordinate is 2 and minus 3. So you can just tick option A. But if you want to confirm that y coordinate is also coming correct, Then you put x is equal to 2 in the curve and get the y coordinate, and x is equal to minus 3 in the curve and get the y coordinate. Is it okay?
Yeah. Tenth one.
Yeah. I hope you can do it. Would you like to try?
Yes, sir. I got 6. Sir, I got 6.
Got 6. Okay. So that is the correct answer. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
So now we can continue with our next slide in the next class.
So isn't today 2 hours? I think. Sir,
Hello.
isn't today 2 hours? I think I asked ma'am for 2 hours.
You asked me for 2 hours. Okay. So I also asked them. So they told me that it is 1.5 hours. So we can keep it 2 hours. If the man has said it is 2 hours, then we can keep it 2 hours. So share the slide,
Yeah.
or you can confirm once. Can you confirm from the man
Yeah,
once?
yes,
It
sir.
is
I'll ask her. So she told she let me know, but she sent me the link.
okay. She said,
No, she told I asked her, can we have 2 hours class today? And she
okay,
told she will let me know, but she didn't confirm. I'll ask her. I'll message her.
okay, okay.
But she told it's 1.5 hours.
Okay. Okay. So is there any other assignment to discuss, or we can start the next slide?
No, we can start the next.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. The chain and quotient. So can we have a 5 minutes break? You will also get refreshed. I will also get refreshed. Then
Okay,
we
sir.
can
Yeah,
start.
sure.
This is a new topic and
Yeah, okay, sir.
it is a important topic also and little difficult. Not little difficult, but it is after product rule, so it is little difficult than product.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we can. It is 7:35 there now.
Yes,
So
sir.
we can have a 5 minute break and 7:40 we can start.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yes, Satya.
Yes, sir. So
Please share. Find the table. Okay. Further. Okay. Next. Okay. Previous one, I want to take the pick because I will use the same denotion.
yeah,
If I take another denotion, it sometimes confused. Okay. Next.
done, sir.
Yeah, done. Find which of the following. Okay. Let me take the pick of this also. Okay. Next.
Yes.
Okay. The previous to this. Let us keep till here because I
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
think we can be able to do more than this in the given time. So first of all, chain rule or the derivative rule of in this what happens, suppose if there is a function fx is equal to g of hx. So what do you mean g of hx? So next slide was giving you an example. I'm taking that example, 2x plus 3 to the power 4. So this was a question, 2x plus 3 to the power 4, and this function is fx. So if you observe here, this is called a composite function. What we call these type of functions as composite functions. In composite functions, there is one function and then there is another function on the first function, inside function. So this function is inside function and this function is outside function. H is inside, G is outside. So if you observe here in this function, this hx is actually 2x plus 3 and gx is x to the power 4. So g of hx will be 2x plus 3 to the power 4. This is what we mean here. Like you can have 2x plus 3 as again I'm explaining it, hx is equal to 2x plus 3. So this inside function is 2x plus 3 hx. Now if you take power 4 to that function, that is the outside function, g is acting on it. So g of hx is actually 2x plus 3 to the power 4. So actually what is gx outside function? That is x to the power 4. So
Will
when you
that be
take the,
x or will it be 1 raised to 4?
sorry,
Will it be x raised to 4 or 1 raised to 4?
x raised to the power 4. Input is x. What is happening here? Like there is a input x here and there is a function acting on it x, which is called hx. And that function hx is 2x plus 3. So you are getting an output 2x plus 3 here. Then on that function, another on that output, another function gx is acting, which is x to the power 4. So now the input is this x actually denotes input. This is input. Now, this is the input for this function. So in place of x, we'll take 2x plus 3. The output will be 2x plus 3 to the power 4. So what is happening? That function is hx is equal to 2x plus 3 and gx is equal to x to the power 4. So first hx is acting, then you are getting 2x plus 3, then gx is acting, then you're getting 2x plus 3 to the power 4. If we do reverse to make you understand it reverse way, suppose x is the input and first function gx is acting. Gx is equal to x to the power 4. So you get x raised to the power 4. Then the function hx is acting, which is hx 2x plus 3. So now the input is x to the power 4. So it will become 2x raised to the power 4 plus 3. So this is the difference. Here, the first function or the inside function is gx. Gx is the inside function. And outside function is hx, which is 2x plus 3. So you get 2x to the power 4 plus 3. Here the inside function is hx, which is 2x plus 3. And outside is x to the power 4. So you get 2x plus 3, 4 to the power 4. Are you understanding the difference between the two?
No, sir.
I'll take a simple example. There is a function fx is equal to x square. Another function gx is equal to 2x. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you take a function, I'm not denoting by f and g, but we were using with g and h. Okay, so I'm taking g and h. Chain rule is very important, and as I said, it is little difficult to understand it, but once you understand it, then it is not difficult. So if you take f of x is equal to g of hx, what will happen? And if you take fx as h of gx, what will happen?
Yeah.
So what is hx? Can you tell me what is
X
what is
square.
x square? So in place of hx, you put x square. Now what is gx?
2x.
So what is g of x square? 2x square. Because instead of x, the input is x square. So here instead of x, you will put x square. Getting? Here input is x.
Yeah.
So that x is being placed here. Here the input is x square. So that x square is being placed here.
Okay. Yeah.
Now, what is here? If we replace the outside by inside and inside by outside, what is gx?
Gx is 2x.
2x. Now, what is hx?
X square.
But here it is h of 2x. That means input is 2x.
2x.
So in place of
2x
x
square.
2x square, which will be 4x square. Are you getting the difference?
Yeah. So won't the other one also be 2x the whole square?
No, here it is g of x square. So 2x instead of x, you are putting x square. That's it. 2x you are putting in place of x square. Here instead of x, you are putting 2x. Just see this once. You can't get a simple example than this. Just try to understand it. But see this, what other steps are taking place. I will give you another example also if you don't get this, but try to understand it.
Yeah, I think I kind of understood.
Okay. Similarly, in the above one, we took the function like this. That 2x plus 3 to the power 4 was the composite function. So we break it into two parts. One is 2x plus 3, one is x to the power 4. and we got it like so. You can start writing from here. You're gonna start writing from.
So can you scroll down?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you scroll down? Yeah, done so.
Now when we differentiate hx, fx. So what we do, we differentiate the outside function, keeping inside as it is, multiplied with, we will differentiate the inside function. This is called a chain rule. There is a sort of chain. So in the above example, if it is, suppose this function is fx we are talking about. So above example, if I am taking, so fx I am taking as 2x square, this one, first one. So what we will do, we will differentiate the outside function, keeping the, here it is so simple. It will be directly differentiated. We have to take the example which we have taken, which was given in the slide. So this one was 2x plus 3. The slide was 2x plus 3 to the power 4. So it is 2x plus 3 to the power 4. This is f of x. Now you have to differentiate it. So here the chain rule is there. Outside function is power 4. This is the outside function. So you will differentiate the outside function. So they will treat this as the input and you will write it as n x, x is 2x plus 3 to the power n minus 1 like this. After that, the inner function, this will be differentiated. So 2x plus 3 will be 2 into 1 plus 0. So you will get 4 into 2x plus 3 cube into 2. This will be 2 into 1 plus 0, 2, 8 into 2x plus 3 cube. So this will be the derivative. If you differentiate, suppose that was not given in the slide, but if we take this function, okay, that will be easily differentiated. There it won't be chain rule. So here it is chain rule working. So you can write it down.
So how is it? Um,
It is like this now. It
so
is
isn't the um,
first,
derivative of 2x2, isn't it just 2?
yeah, it is 2 here.
So why are we multiplying into 1?
That is derivative of x is 1 now. 2 into 1 plus 0. That will be eventually 2 only.
Yeah, yeah. So so in this g of x will be 4.
G of x will be, if you talk about the outer function as g, let me see what the outer function was in that example. Yeah, gx is x to the power 4 and hx is 2x plus 3. This was the function. This is g of hx. So when you differentiated f dash x, you did it like this. g dash of hx into h dash of x.
Sir, so first, we derive the power
Outside. Yeah, power is the
outs
outside function.
outside, and then the second, we derive the inside.
Yeah,
We do that separately.
yeah. And then we multiply them.